Vintage Workshop, this should put them yapping. This is the insert for a toilet roll in a toilet roll holder, which is of a spring make. That's the make of the bathroom set. And it's not available anymore. It's UK made. They're gone in production about 8 years or more. Spring. It's not Shires or Armitage Shanks. Now, the question is, what I want all the Chris here to say is, where can you buy the insert for a toilet roll? Where exactly will you get that without buying the whole lot? And the insert has to be the same. So there's one now. They'll definitely probably come up with something. If you order online and it's from the UK, you'll have trouble with the Brexit thing, unless you get it sent to one of those crowd that receives them in the north. There is UPod, is it? I think it's one of them. Anyway, it's up to you. So what I just simply did, I got a bit of wood out of Tesco's. You'll get them there. They're sort of like pastry rollers. Drilled it out, formed it up, and then I didn't want to use wood for this bit. It's too weak, and so I drilled this. There's the spring. Drilled it up, put a smaller hole inside so that it'll fit in tight, and left this like that, and then put this in here, and that'll do the job. Maybe it's not very decorative, but it means that you have it back working again. So this is the main thing here. This is plastic. Plastic is great stuff. You'll get it off any of the main engineering firms. You never use steel or brass or anything when you can use plastic. This is too much pressure, too much strength. In actual fact, it'd be better if this here was made out of a piece of plastic as well. But seeing that I already have this, I'll not bother doing this. It's just that what happened was the original one, I went too near the end here and the spring went right out through it. The bit of it, there's the bit of it there. That's the old one. So I had to make one new. So that's it. Agree or not, and let me know. Don't say, oh, you can get them. You tell me where you can get them. Now, the other thing too is, it was said there that you can get 3 foot or 1 meter long, 10 millimeter masonry drill with the small attachment to the drill. It was a slide system, the SDS or something system. Now, I've been down to Screwfix. It wasn't in Screwfix in Dundalk, and I had a check done in Screwfix this morning, and they don't have them in stock. They may be on the internet, but just because it's on the internet doesn't mean it exists. So there you go again. I just made up my own. I have the job done. And the other point is, and I think it's Tony Owens asked a question about it. You must remember about me extending the masonry drill or doing that. The function is to find out where the other exit is, and I'll just show you. Here's a tin box. Right, I was able to drill in, let's say, that far. But I couldn't get it right through. I needed to know where it was exiting. So any old thing at all did, a 5 millimeter or 6 millimeter masonry drill, drilled into a bit of steel, came out the other side with about 3 inches to spare. So it's information you're looking at. It doesn't mean that this has to hold a big pipe or anything else. It just means that when I went in this far, with the drill that I hired off the hire company, they didn't have long ones. And now Screwfix doesn't have long ones in 2 shops, in Dundalk and in Cavan. And the other thing then is that you only need to know where it is. I don't have specialist electronic devices. So it just drilled out till it came out the other side. And now I can work on that. I have the information where it is. The hole that went through was wide. It was about 18 mil, because that was the hired tool. It was about 18 mil, and then I just let the 6 mil go on out the other few inches, and it let me out. You're looking for information. It's the same as the device I made for attaching a channel iron to a wall. Where is the hole? You can't just say it must be there, because it'll not come out accurately. I did that, I showed you that already, and they came out 100% plumb. Right, I'll let you go with that. So that answers Tony's question, and the other critics, well, that's it. It's up to you. Just tell me where they're available. Now, the other thing it'll be said is we don't have that equipment. Well, that's why you should turn off in the very beginning. Don't be looking at it. But what about people that do have it? And there are a good few people watch me who have certain amount of equipment. So I'm not going to let go the workshop practice because that's very close to my heart and it's very enjoyable. We'll see you back soon. Comment underneath. Bye bye.